live in TusCELLoosa!
I'm a carbon atom, and the city of TusCELLoosa is my cell.
I'm a nitrogen atom.
Okay, I'm a hydrogen atom. I'm the smallest, of course, you know.
I'm an oxygen atom.
A nucleus is the control center of a cell. It creates all the genetic information that a cell needs to function properly. A city hall is like a nucleus. It controls everything that goes on in a cell. Without City Hall, our city would not function properly.
In TusCELLoosa, we have dumpsters, which break down waste material and cellular debris like lysosomes. The dam in TusCELLoosa takes natural energy from the water, just like chloroplasts, which take natural energy from the sun to make photosynthesis.
The smooth ER builds lipids and acts as a way for other ER products to be transported throughout the cell. In our cell, it's just like a road system, or this intersection, for instance.
Vacuoles are thought to be the storage bubbles of a cell, for it stores water, food, and other nutrients. The water tower in TusCELLoosa is like a vacuole in that it stores water for our cell.
Endoplasmic reticulum is a very important part of the cell. It takes amino acids and synthesizes them to make proteins, and it also packages them, which is kind of like Nucor, which takes scrap metal and makes it into bars of metal, which TusCELLoosa is made out of.
The nucleolus is needed for RNA transcription and the synthesis of ribosomes. In other words, it takes genetic information and copies it and sends it throughout the cell. This is kind of like the TusCELLoosa news, as it takes information, copies it, and sends it throughout the city.
The post office is like the Golgi apparatus because it distributes and ships certain products throughout the city. In the Golgi apparatus, it distributes and ships the cell's chemical products throughout the cell.
We're going through a toll bridge.
The cell membrane.
Hey. Okay, how much is it? $1.50. Okay, here you go, this one, and then here are 2 quarters.
What you just saw was a toll bridge, which controls what comes in and out of a city. It is compared to a cell membrane because the cell membrane controls what comes in and out of a cell.
Centrioles help divide the cell during cell division, which is sort of like this river which divides parts of TusCELLoosa. Is this a part?
As you see, there are a lot of buildings in TusCELLoosa. We can compare this to the cytoskeleton because it makes up the actual cell.
Holds together the cell.
It maintains its form. The cytoskeleton also has a part in mobility, but we're just going to use the structural analogy.
What is this? What is this?
Here is the cytoskeleton. We are still looking and viewing several parts of the cytoskeleton of TusCELLoosa, also known as buildings.
I think you probably saw.
In the cell, mitochondria take carbohydrates and make them into ATP, which provides energy for the cell, which is kind of like this substation here, which provides energy for parts of TusCELLoosa. Yeah!
That's good.
Woo!
TusCELLoosa.
Bye.
I run around with that Nina. You know we smoking on Keisha. Hey.
Blimey! We're lost! No! Say hey, Bradley! Say hey, Joanna!
We don't need gas! I forgot! We don't even need...
Okay. I am a hydrogen atom. No, I screwed that up. Okay. You can't laugh.
TusCELLoosa. Wait, I looked at it. I was supposed to say lysosomes first. Oh, we're still doing it. Oh god.
I'm showing the dumpster.
There's just one life to live and there's no time to waste.
The nucleolus is needed for RNA. Yeah, hold on. Oh, okay. The nucleolus is needed for RNA transcription and the synthesis of. Hold on. The nucleolus is needed for RNA transcription and the synthesis of ribosomes. In other words, the nucleus builds certain types of genetic information and sends them throughout the cell. This is kind of like a TusCELLoosa news because it makes the nucleolus. Oh shoot! I said that weird. I'm sorry. Shh. We are heading towards the toll bridge.
Or be like, the cell membrane does by okay.
No, we're doing it right now.
Dang it.
Dance. Okay.
Wait, what? Yeah, dance.